we are at Glamis with good old Dirt Design.
I'm on my Disney shit, goofy flow. On records, I'm Captain Hook and my new car is Rufio. Damn, where my roots go, I'm somebody that you should know. Get to shaking something, cause that's what drummer produced it for. Alhamdulillah, 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 alhamdulillah. Sweets caught it hit, alhamdulillah, 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 alhamdulillah. Sweets caught it hit. I just want pull up in coops. I just want more for loose. I just be dripping in cool. I just be tripping in news. Kick it with goons. I just be smoking the fumes. I just might fly to the moon. I just get high like balloons. I just be out making moves. I just be sipping that juice. I just be spending for loose. I just be dripping in juice. I just be wet like I'm pools. I just don't care about no rules. I'm just a far with a tool. I just be killing you news. All of my guns, yeah, they blue. Fortnite, I'm getting a loot. Dropping the top on my coupe. Coupe and it came with no roof. Yeah, I just give it my juice. Say I hit a lick, alhamdulillah. Oh, you're getting dead. Alhamdulillah, 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 alhamdulillah.
The rap game. Hip Hop 101. The hardest 9 to 5 you'll ever have. You can't learn this shit in no history book. You ready to rap, motherfucker? You ready to sell your soul? The rap game, motherfucker.
Hey you guys, we are at Glamis with good old Dirt Design. How's it going, man?
How you doing?
All right, it's Halloween. We're gonna have some fun today. Where are we at right now, dude?
Oh, we're out here at the Glamis. This is the Camp Razor.
All right.
First time I seen a Ferris wheel in the desert, so go take a ride on the Ferris wheel with me.
All right, let's go.
That's what I got, that's bigger than Godzilla's back, nigga. You are not real, and in fact, you'll feel the effect.
So we're up here on the Camp Razor Ferris wheel with the famous BP.
What's up?
And we're gonna shake the boat.
Don't fucking do
We're
it,
gonna
man.
shake the boat.
Dude,
We're gonna shake the boat.
No, stop.
Shake the boat.
Down. When I see that little guy get sniped out, lights out, bitch, adios, good night. Now put that in your little pipe and wipe down. Think for a minute, cause the hype has died down. That I won't go up in the Oval Office right now and flip whatever ain't tied down, upside down. I'm all for America, fuck the government. Tell that see Dolores, talk a slut to suck a dick.
Alright, are you ready? Can-Am demos featuring Bryson and BP. It's going to be pretty exciting, pretty gnarly. You should stay tuned for this review. Can-Am RS.
Shit just don't change to this day. I'm this way, still tell her unslay it's bay. I'm saying my ick day, excuse my ick pay. Adelaide, but up fade, ick pay. This rap game, I ain't selling my soul for this rap game. Now I ain't digging no hole for this rap game. Man, I'm telling you, no, it ain't happening. This rap game, I ain't selling my soul for this rap game. I ain't digging no hole for this rap game. This rap game. I bet you rather me drink and drown in my own iniquity, but fuck that I'm a rap till y'all all get sick of me and clutch my nut sack and spit on who picking me a pin in a rock next. Fuck the dogs you signal me, I'm saying you motherfuckers don't know if we're playing. If I'm broke, then I'm breaking up in the place where you land. You know, same shit every nigga done in this life. I lived it, that's why I speak on what I want when I write. So why should I ever fear another man if he bleed like I bleed? Take a piss and he stand. Okay, you win. You can say we can't rap, but no source never made me not buy an album when they said it was whack.
I walk in the party and just start busting. Right after I hear the last verse of self-destruction. This liquor makes me wanna blast the chrome to let you know that time without more is being Jerome. Nigga, I'm low down and shifty, quickly call swiftly to do a drive-by on a 10 speed with 50. You're feeling lucky squeeze. I catch you outside at Chuck E. Cheese with your D's. You be an unlucky G.
All right, so we got Flipper over here with us. What's up, man?
What up?
Gonna go for a ride up Oldsmobile.
Versace, Medusa.
cops ahead on me like I'm Illuminati. This is a gated community, please get the fuck off the property. Rap must be changing cause I'm at the top and there's no one on top of me. Niggas be wanting a verse for a verse, but man, that's not a swap to me. Grinding in compliments, pulled in the backyard that look like Metropolis. I think I'm selling $1 million per sweet, man, I guess I'm an optimist. Born in Toronto, but sometimes I feel like Atlanta adopted us. What the fuck is you talking about? Saw this shit coming like I had binoculars, boy. Versace, we stay at the mansion when we in Miami. Pillows Versace, the sheets of Versace, I just want a Grammy. I've been so quiet, I got the world like, what the fuck is he planning? Just make sure that you got a backup plan, cause that shit might come in handy.
I just got the Honda, I got the mask, I just want the name, the all excited, I just said the train, nigga classic, feel the door like I work at the basket, looking and watching, like I like some time, come on my room, my seat, Versace, when I go to sleep, I dream, Versace, I do something, niggas, they wish that they knew you, they come in the truck, we missing the Louis, my blood, that's better than special, fast right, short like I'm turning the tide, I'm beating the block, I'm be mine, not that you niggas, they got it, my closet, Versace.
Trouble trend, present, past and beyond. Though you weren't with us too long, that was the most precious thing we could lose. While you were here, the fun was never ending. Life a minute was only beginning. Jason Matthews, does this one for you! To all those who weren't with us too long, life's the most precious thing you can lose.
While you were here, the fun was never ending. Laughing minute was all you did. Jason, my brother, this one for you.
Oh!
robbers, mobsters, lobsters. Out of your rape, no charger. Private jet landing Pearl Harbor. Hey. Coming up, I was a robber. If it's worth the robbery, then rob you. Can't fuck with these niggas, they faking, hating, writing statements in permanent markers. Money come back like it's karma. Diamonds, they biting piranhas.
بسبوس عاشق بسه ويدلعها بسبوسة بسبوس عاشق بسه ويدلعها بسبوسة يلحقها من بيت البيت ويقول اعطيني بوسة يلحقها من بيت البيت ويقول